Queen Cleopatra, a paragon of Hellenic beauty, adorned her era with unparalleled grace and allure. Renowned for her exquisite complexion and radiant skin, she stood as the epitome of beauty in her time, capturing hearts with her enchanting presence. Welcome, dear viewers, to a journey of discovery into the fascinating world of gut health and its profound impact on the skin's radiance and youthfulness. In this eye-opening video, we unravel the secrets of the aging gut, exploring the delicate dance between our gut microbiome and the absorption of vital nutrients crucial for overall health, with a special focus on the skin. Did you know that a healthy gut is the cornerstone of radiant skin? Join us as we illuminate the intricate web of connections between the gut microbiome and nutrient absorption. It's a symphony that, when harmonious, results in supple and beautiful skin. Witness the transformation as your gut flourishes with good bacteria, unlocking the secrets to vibrant and youthful skin. This isn't just about appearance, it's about holistic well-being. But why stop at beauty when you can invest in your health? Our video is more than just information, it's a guide, a journey into understanding the pivotal role probiotics play in nurturing a lively and resilient gut. Introducing our advanced probiotics formula crafted with precision, backed by science. This powerhouse is designed to replenish and balance your gut flora, fostering an environment that's conducive to radiant skin. Are you ready to boost your understanding of gut health and unlock the secrets to radiant skin? Click the landing page below and join us on this insightful voyage today. Hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and let's embark on a journey to a healthier, more radiant you. Thank you for tuning in. Stay vibrant, stay beautiful. Until next time.